There comes a time in everyone's life when people doubt you, when they look at you and say, you can't do it, when they tell you that your dreams are too big, your goals too far away, or your chances too small. But here's the truth. Those people don't know you. They don't know the strength inside you, the fire that keeps you going, and the determination you have to succeed. What they don't realize is that you're not going to prove them right. You're going to prove them wrong. The greatest comebacks don't happen by chance. They happen because someone made a choice to not let the doubt of others stop them, a choice to keep going when the world tells them to give up, a choice to turn the pain and failures into something greater. When everyone else is saying, you can't, it's your time to say, I will. The people who doubt you, the ones who say you won't make it, are only seeing you in this moment. They don't know what you're capable of in the future. You see, the road to your comeback won't be easy. There will be obstacles. There will be hard days when you feel like giving up. But those hard days, they're the moments that make your comeback so powerful, because every time you keep going, every time you refuse to stop, you're proving to yourself that you are stronger than the people who doubted you. It's easy to get discouraged when others tell you that you'll fail, but you can't let their words control you. You have the power to create your own story. You have the ability to rewrite the ending of your life, no matter how hard it seems right now. The greatest comebacks happen when you refuse to listen to the negativity around you, when you decide that no one else's opinion matters more than your belief in yourself. And trust me, when your comeback happens, it will be louder than their doubts. When you prove them wrong, when you achieve what they thought was impossible, you won't just prove them wrong, you'll show yourself what you're truly capable of. The key to your comeback is not just in working hard, it's in working smart, in staying focused, and in believing that the life you want is waiting for you on the other side of the struggle. You have to be willing to fail, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Because every time you fall, you're one step closer to rising again. And when you rise stronger, more confident, and unstoppable. This is the greatest comeback of your life, and it starts with believing in yourself, even when no one else does. Don't let anyone tell you it's too late or that you're not enough. You are enough. You always have been. So when you feel like giving up, when the doubts get too loud, remember this. The greatest comebacks aren't just about proving others wrong. They're about proving to yourself that you can do anything. Now is the time to make your comeback. Now is the time to show the world what you're made of. Prove them wrong. And when you do, you won't just be showing them how strong you are. You'll be showing yourself that you are limitless.